So this is what a pull tab would be like. So you take your shapes to create it, bring them together, and add that label and group them together. So going back, I don't love that one. Let's do it again. Okay. I'm gonna bring that in, and then I'm gonna go back, grab another shape. What one was I using? This one. Make it smaller. Type in directions. Okay. And then I took and I just spun this one. So then I can add it to that spot. And I like to add a little bit of color. So I'm just gonna pick this shape first. Come on. I'm gonna fill it in red. I'm gonna do the same on this one. Fill it in red. And then I'm gonna group them all together. So just by putting a line through all of it, I can group it. So now it's bound together, and I can move it about like that. And so what I like to do is just bring it all the way over here. That way it gives me a lot more space, and it makes it kind of fun for the kids too, that they have to pull that out if I made one to do in the classroom.